Out at Oran Park, the client's requested us to come out and run a data link between the NTD Fibre connection to the unit. We've installed CAT6 data cables at both ends. It's now installed. We're just connecting a remote unit to do some testing. We're now just running a wire map, which is all good. And we're just running a signal noise and skew ratio on the CAT6 cable we've installed, followed by 1 gigabyte speed test to validate it. Once those come back, it passes, we're all good. The network owner has instructed the client that it'll be 6 to 12 months before they can send a tech out there to validate the fibre that was installed and connected into their network. So hence why we've had to run the CAT6 cable. That's all good. That's a termination in the unit and the termination at the NTD.